Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a paper bird. This will be an easy paper folding tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is what your bird will look like once you've finished. You're going to start off with a square sheet of paper. Now there's this line down my square sheet of paper because I actually took a rectangular printer sheet of paper and I turned it into a square. But if you start with a square, you're not going to have this line. Either way, it's all good. Basically, you want to take this square sheet of paper and you want to fold it in half. So I'm going to actually start with it this way. It makes more sense to do it this way. So I'm going to take the square sheet of paper, fold it in half, edge to edge. So okay, we're going to take this edge right here. We're going to match it up with this edge over here, and we're going to fold it in half just like this, okay? Create a nice good crease. It's important for each step that you create very, very good creases. Unfold it. Now we're going to do it the other way. So this side to this side over here. So turn it and this side to this side. So creating almost like a T, a large T in the center of the paper. Very simple and straightforward, okay? Try and line up the edges. It just makes it a lot easier. All right, now we're going to open it up, so unfold it. Now we're going to take that paper, flip it over, okay? Now we're actually going to fold it from corner to corner. So I actually already have that line here, but I'm going to do it anyways. But I'm going to go corner to corner just like that, okay? So match up the corners, fold it, give it a nice crease just like that, okay? Open it up, and then we're going to do the other corner to corner now. So this one matching up with this one over here, corner to corner, just like that, okay? Fold it, give it a nice crease, just like that. All right, unfold it. Now what we're going to do is take this and flip it over, okay? Now here is a simple step that can either go really easily or really difficult. It depends on how you do it. But basically we want to fold it up with the sides here. So I'm going to get my index finger and I'm going to put my finger underneath there and I'm going to grab either side, fold it like this, just like that. So as you can see, you're folding it in like that. It's going to make like this diamond shape over here. So you want to just fold it like that. Very simple. So we've created this diamond. Now we're going to rotate it 180 degrees so that your flaps are here on the bottom. Very simple and straightforward. Now we're going to take the right side of the diamond, the right corner of the diamond like this. Okay. Now there's two flaps on this side. Obviously, we're just taking one of the flaps and I'm folding it like this. So we're going to fold it so that this edge right here lines up with the middle edge right there. So I'm folding it like that. Once you have it lined up, crease it just like that. Nice solid crease, very important for this step. And then the same thing with the left, just like this. We're matching up that edge to the middle right here. Make sure you fold it with a nice solid crease, just like that. Okay, now we're going to take the top over here. We're going to fold it down, just where those lines are right there. So I'm taking the top and I'm folding it down, just like that. Once again, a nice, really solid crease here. It's a very thick piece of paper, so you want to get a really solid crease like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to unfold this. So unfold this, and this as well, and this as well, okay? We have all these lines. What we're going to do now is take this flap right here, just this single flap. We're going to open it up, but here's the key factor, okay? We're going to open it up, and we want to bring this left side into the middle and this right side into the middle like this. Fold it down just like that, okay? Make sure your tip is nice and crisp right there. So you can see right there, we've created this shape right over here now, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip the paper over. We're gonna do the same thing on this side over here. So I'm gonna take my right side, we're gonna fold it to the middle, line up those edges just like that. With the middle, line up that edge to the middle, crease it really, really well. Just like that. Same thing with the left, just like this. Okay. Crease it really, really well. And then we're going to take the top flap right here, the top, just this one over here, fold it over, just like that. Crease this part really, really well. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to unfold all three. So there's 1, 2, 3. Basically, we're going to be pulling out the bottom. Like I said, just this flap right here. And when we pull out the bottom, okay, we're going to be folding the right and left sides to the middle, just like this. This is one of the harder steps because you have to make use of the folds that you already did, but you're kind of reversing them a little bit. So you want to just kind of get your finger in there, make sure everything's folding nicely as you want it to be, just like that. You can also, you know, take it step by step. We're not just doing one quick fold, we're doing it step by step. Okay, so now we have here is we have this shape right over here. We're going to fix up that point right there. Okay, so you can see we're going to take this. Right here. So we've pulled out the bottom. We've folded the right and left into the middle, as you can see. And then we're going to take the top half of this. We're going to fold it down. Just the top half of this first flap, fold it down like that. Very simple and straightforward. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to pick it up. You can see we have this extra little flap right here. We're going to fold it in half. So take it, fold it in half like this, just like that. Give it a nice crease. Take a few moments, give it a nice crease, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. So flip it over like that. As you can see, we're looking at it like an upside down triangle right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our left side, we're going to fold it up just like this. Okay, because as you can see, the right side is all one flap. We want to get the left side here. The side, if you did it properly, that has all of these extra flaps. We're going to fold it up like this. So it's going to match the middle right there. Okay, flip it around. We're going to get the equivalent side here, another flap, and we're going to fold it up like this. Okay, as you can see right there, just like that. So now we're almost done. This is a pretty complicated step, but if you look at the completed version, you can see it looks the same. The only difference is that we've put this beak right here. Now this is where it gets a little complicated. Basically what you want to do is you want to pop, with this side, there's going to be a single flap here. You want to pop this up and bring it down. Now what you can do alternatively is just take this and you can fold it down like this. So if you wanted to, if you really wanted to, you could take this and fold it down like that. And that could be your design, but what you want to do instead is open it up. And you can see when we open it up, this is a key factor here. When we open it up, that there's going to be like a middle spike right there, like a middle part. We're going to push that down just like that, okay? As you can see, pushing it down just like that. One more time, pushing it down just like that, and folding this up like this. So I'll show you one more time. It's kind of difficult. Push it down like that. Fold the middle up like that, and we're going to fold it in. Just give me a quick moment. I'll show you what it looks like on the bottom, and we'll be good to go. Just like that. Well, it doesn't seem to be working right now. I'm going to try one more time. So basically the spot that's pushed up gets pushed down, okay? And then we want to meet these like this, just like that. So we can do something like that, or I'm going to keep it simple. Forget about what I said before. Take it, fold it down like that. There's your bird. It looks, in my opinion, just as good. And then what you can do is you can take a little pen here and you can draw the eye like that. And there's your bird. But to do it this way, I just want to show you the official way. All that I did was, it was like this before, like I said, right? I pushed the inside down like that, and I folded these like that. So once again, the middle goes pushed down, and then you squeeze it together. Didn't really work out on this one, but I mean, nonetheless, this tutorial is still really good, I would think. Basically, you push the middle down, and then you squeeze it like that. It's not really working. Not really working with this one. I think I did too many folds that were not perfect, but I was trying to explain it at the same time. So bear with me. The idea is, once again, you're like that. So what you want to do is push it down, and then clamp the sides together like that. Very simple and straightforward. It's really not that difficult, but like I said, it didn't really work out in this, but I gave you an alternative option. So that's it. You can make your paper bird just as I've shown you right there. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.